that force which helps you to remove the darkness from your lives, who removes the ignorance from the mind, and who brings forth light, light of wisdom, light of knowledge, light of brilliance. Such a soul is considered a guru. My dear sisters and brothers, today, the 15th of June, we celebrate the life of such an individual. Many know him as Prak, many know him as Pandit Prakash Gosai, many know him as a son, a brother, a cousin, a father, but to the world he was known as Guruji. Akhanda mandalakaram vyaptam yena characharam tatpadam darishitam yena tasmai shri guruve namah. Om Jnanam Timirandhasya Jnanam Janashalayaka Chakshurunamilitam Yena. Everybody, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Om Brahmanandam Paramasukhadam Kevalam Jnanamurti Dvandatitam Gaganasadrisham Tasmai Ekam nityam vimalachalam sarvadaksakshi bhutam bhavatitam trigunarahitam. Ekam nityam vimalachalam sarvasakshi bhutam tatpadam darshitam yena tasmai shri namah. Sarvashruti shiroratnam samudbhasitamuyate Vedanta Ambuja Suryay Tasmai Shri Tasmai Shri Ram 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 Bolo Ram 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 Bolo Ram शांति शांति हरि ओम। बोलिए प्रेम जोर श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। Jai Sitaram devotees, once again this beautiful evening, the Lord has blessed us tremendously to sit together as one family, to unite our verses, to bring these beautiful songs, the messages from our scriptures together to help us to elevate ourselves. This is the practice of spirituality, and this is what spirituality is all about, to rise. And Guruji always used to say that life is like a ladder, and every day we're climbing this ladder to great success. We are the architects of our own lives, and we can create our own destiny. So beautifully, he would sit on the Singhasan and he would bring forth these beautiful songs. And in the Hanuman Chalisa, one of the most beautiful tunes that was ever created to my mind, Shri Guru Charana Saroj Nijamana Mokara Sudhar Varno Raghuvar Vimala Jasu. Everyone. Kumar रविभीषण माला युग सहस्र शोभन पद भानु जीवो ताहि मधुर पद जानो राम जी से राम राम कहियो राम जी से राम राम कहियो प्रभु मुख कामिनी मुख मारी दुर्गम काज जगत के देशी राम तुम्हारे तुम रखवारे सब सुख है तुम्हारी सरना तुम्हारा शक्ता हो डरना राम जी से राम राम कहियो आपन तेज समारो मापी उम्रत साथ निकट नहीं आवे दासय रोग हरै सब पीरा संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे राम जी से राम राम कहियो कहियो जी हनुमान सर्वर राम तपस्वी नाम और मनोरथ जो कोई नामे चारों युग प्रताप तुम्हारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे राम जी से राम राम कहियो कहियो जी हनुमान जी अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे अंत काल रघुवर पुर जाए राम संकटहरण मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सियापति रामचंद्र की जय। शरणम प्रभु। बोलिए प्रेम से बोलो श्री महावीर स्वामी की। As we begin tonight's satsang, firstly let me apologize for the little slip of the air. I got mixed up with the tune a little bit. But to err is human and to forgive is divine. Today we sing, God is so sweet, God is so beautiful, God is so forever compassionate, God is forever so loving. When the Lord smiles, it is like you're looking at the sunshine. And when you look at the beautiful face of the Lord, it is so calm, as though you are looking at the beautiful moon. This was one of Guruji's favorite, and he says that, "O Lord, for your lips are so sweet. Your body, O Lord, is so sweet and divine. When I look at your eyes, all I see is beauty. When I look at your smile, all I see is beauty." Hence, this is how we must look at the world. Adharam madhuram vadanam madhuram nayanam madhuram hasitam madhuram. Adharam madhuram nayanam madhuram nayanam madhuram hasitam madhuram. Adharam hridayam madhuram gamaram madhuram madhuradipati rakiram madhuram. Charitam madhuram vasanam madhuram varnitam madhuram. Charitam madhuram brahmitam madhuram madhuradipati rakiram madhuram. Madhura He always reminded us that we must always look through the eyes of the Lord to see the beauty in the world, the beauty in people. Like looking at the murtis, we must also look at the world like that, my dear sisters and brothers. प्रीत करे तो ऐसे करे जैसे करे कपास जीते जीतो तन धगे मरे न चोरी साथ. So beautifully in the Doha, he says that man must love, and we must love unconditionally. We must love from birth to the end of this journey of life. And he reminded us of the cotton cloth. He says when we come into the world, the very first thing that our bodies come in contact with, it is a cotton, that blanket or towel or whatever they use, and they wrap the baby and they present the baby to the mother. That blanket represents, that cotton represents love. From the time we come into the world and when we take our exits, it is that very cotton that surrounds the inner portion of that box where we will lie one day. So from birth to death, we must love, love, love. Why? आए भी अकेला, जाए भी अकेला, दो दिन की जिंदगी है, दो दिन का मेला. We come into the world, and so they will come when we will all have to go.
आए भी अकेला जाए भी अकेला दो दिन की जिंदगी है दो दिन का मेला
attention that life is very unique and life is very uncertain. At any time, we can take our exits from this world and move on. So hence we have to take every day as it is given to us and be grateful and do something positive. For when tomorrow comes, the world must always remember us for being great souls. We are bombarded every day by difficulties, but one of Hariom Sharan's most beautiful songs, Guruji reminded us of the inner meaning of this world. Tab dwar tere Prabhu aaya. The song says, Lord, today I have come to your doors. Why? Because the devotee realizes, Sansar, this world, O Lord, Jab Tukraya. The world has definitely kicked me. The word Tukraya means to kick. It means that the world has pushed me away. And now I realize where my true destiny lies, at your feet, O Lord. Sansarni jab tukraya tab dwar tere Prabhu aaya. says, oh man, we spend many of our life sleeping in this mire. We get caught up. And when we realize what is happening, we realize that the world has definitely pushed us away. So, the devotee says, now Lord, I realize that although I neglected you and I gave my attention to the world, now I realize I have no one. And now I'm coming at your doors. Why? Bas yahi aparad mein har baar karta hu. How many times in our life when the world tries to judge you, when the world tries to defame you, the more good you do, what's the saying? Is the more bad you are. The song says, don't judge, let the Lord judge. Leave everyone to perform their own karma. Please join with our dear Sabrina ji. Bas yahi aparad mein.
बस यही अपराध में हर बार करता हूँ आदमी हो आदमी से प्यार करता हूँ बस यही अपराध में हर बार करता हूँ आदमी हो आदमी से प्यार करता हूँ
Don't judge, oh man. Leave that in the hands of God. Leave everyone to do what they have to do. People are trying their utmost best to do good. And sometimes, like Guruji always used to remind us about the barrel and the crabs. You know that story, yeah? The more you try to get out, the more they try to pull you down. But he reminded us, every one of us are unique and special in our own way. It is what the mind perceives of the self. And the little song says, Man Viraki, one of Guruji's favorites. And this song, as Kevin is going to sing, reminds us this is one of Guruji's most important messages to the world. Focus, O man, on your mind. It is a powerful tool that can create a world of beauty for you. and it can bring the world of unpleasantness. It is up to you.
मेरे मन वीरा की तारे हर पल शिव का नाम पुकारे मैंने शिव से लगाई लगन मेरे मन वीरा की तारे हर पल शिव का नाम पुकारे मैंने शिव से लगाई लगन जब भोले का नाम प्रेम से सुबह शाम जब भोले का नाम प्रेम से सुबह शाम शिव की भक्ति में होके मगन मेरे मन वीरा की तारे हर पल शिव का नाम पुकारे मैंने शिव से लगाई लगन लगन मैंने शिव से लगाई लगन तोड़े जग के छूटे बंधन शिव भक्ति में रंग के जीवन मन में शिव है शिव में है मन कर दिया खुद को शिव के अर्पण शिव ही मेरा धर्म शिव ही मेरा धर्म शिव ही मेरा धर्म शिव ही मेरा धर्म सारी है धरती गगन मेरे वीरा की तारे हर पल शिव का नाम पुकारे मैंने शिव से लगाई लगन ओ लगन मैंने शिव से लगाई लगन मेरे सेवक हो मेरे स्वामी मेरे शिव है अंतर्यामी ये जीवन कंचन काया सब है मेरे शिव की माया शिव मेरे साथ है रात है शिव मेरे साथ है रात है जाऊं हर पल में शिव के भजन मेरे मन वीरा की तारे हर पल शिव का नाम पुकारे मैंने शिव से लगाई लगन मैंने शिव से लगाई लगन जब भोले का नाम प्रेम से सुबह शाम जब भोले का नाम प्रेम से सुबह शाम शिव की भक्ति में होके मगन मेरे मन वीरा की तारे हर पल शिव का नाम पुकारे मैंने शिव से लगाई लगन ओ लगन मैंने शिव से लगाई लगन मैंने शिव से लगाई लगन
She reminded us, look to this day, for it is life, the very life of life, and in it, its brief course, lies all the varieties and realities of your existence. Whatever life you will like, you are the architect to establish it. And even if sometimes you fail or things get rough, Do not lose focus. Why? Because Bhagavan meri naiya us paar लगा देना उस पार लगा देना. When the waters become rough, the waters of life, have faith in God that the Lord will save us. Bhagavan meri naiya us paar laga dena. Don't let what you cannot do prevent you from doing the good you can do. These are beautiful quotes that were established in Guruji's book of life. The devotee says that, "Oh Lord, my entire life I have been creating this beautiful mala that I have been making for you. But this mala is very unique. It is not made of any material, but it is made of something that one can only feel and experience. And that is the inner love that I have for you." And what does the devotee say? Bhai Manka Manka Ram Naam Ki Mahima Gaide. This mala, I'm going to use the very breath of love and chant your greatness, O Lord.
मन का राम नाम की महिमा गाई रे, महिमा गाई रे। भाई मन का राम नाम की महिमा गाई रे, महिमा गाई रे, महिमा गाई रे, महिमा गाई रे।
Let the name of Ram be in every breath that we take, my dear sisters and brothers. We must pattern our lives after the great souls of yesteryears. One of them is, of course, Hanumanji. And so beautifully, Hanumanji one day, and don't take this literally that he did this. Cheer ke chati bole apni pavan putra Hanuman. Ananyankaran made the tune of this song is so beautiful. But when Guruji sung this song, it even sounds sweeter. No disrespect to anyone. Hanumanji says, here is where my Ram, here is where my Sita, here is where my Lakshman lies. He was just reminding the world that God is inside us, not outside. Chiri Ki Chati. Let's join with our brother Kevin Ji, Ali and everybody.
चीर के चाती बोले अपनी चीर के चाती बोले अपनी पवन पुत्र हनुमान बोलो पवन पुत्र हनुमान मेरे मन में बसे मेरे राम मेरे मन में बसे मेरे
My dear, beautiful Srila. This evening I want to dedicate one of Guruji's most prized kirtan to my in-laws, to the entire family of my wife who recently lost their Nani, Mataji Dorothy. She was a lover of Guruji. You couldn't see anything about her when she was around. She loved his kathas, his songs, And this song we want to sing for that entire family tonight. Jai 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 Devi Jagadamba. Victory to you, O Mother, for you are the Mother of all. Jai 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 Devi Jagadamba.
Praise Guru Adi Shakti Jagadambe Mata Ki Jai. Now let's go to Madhuban. Let's go to Vrindavan. And
And there we're going to find the beautiful form of Krishna with his devotees. And he's playing with them, he's playing his Basuri, everybody's happy, they're enjoying the moment. But, my dear brothers and sisters, something went wrong. And the devotee said to him, Hey Kanhaiya, Mohan hamare madhuban mein tum aya na karo. Today, we want you to know that we do not want you to come back in our garden to play with us. Why? Jadoo bhariya basuri bajaya na karo. Because you come into our garden, you play your beautiful basuri, you enchant our hearts, and then you leave, and then you're plunged into sadness. Hey Krishna, Mohan hamare madhuban mein tum aya na karo. हमारे मधुबन में तुम आया ना करो। हमारे मधुबन में तुम आया ना करो। जादू भरिया बांसुरी बजाया ना करो। जादू भरिया बांसुरी बजाया ना करो। मोहन हमारे मधुबन में तुम आया ना करो। सूरत तुम्हारी देख सलोनी सावरी। सुन बांसुरी की राग हम हो गई बावरी। सुन बांसुरी की राग हम हो गई बावरी। माखन चुराने वाले दिल चुराया ना करो। माखन चुराने वाले दिल चुराया ना करो। हमारे मधुबन में तुम आया ना करो। हमारे मधुबन में तुम आया ना करो। तुम्हारी मोट गरमाल कटिने कांचनी सोहे। तुम्हारी गरमाल कटिने कांचनी सोहे। धूमे सुंदर धूम के मन में तो मोहे। इस चंद्रमा के रूप को दिखाया ना करो। चंद्रमा के रूप को दिखाया ना करो। हमारे मधुबन में तुम आया ना करो। हमारे मधुबन में तुम आया ना करो। जादू भरिया बांसुरी बजाया ना करो। जादू भरिया बांसुरी बजाया ना करो। हमारे मधुबन में तुम आया ना करो। हमारे मधुबन में तुम आया ना करो। हमारे मधुबन में Suppose God comes before you and he says, I have a barrel of pearls and I have this little goblet of love. Which one would you choose? The goblet. Sabrina says she would choose the goblet. If I know a goblet, Ayokana Shinship Telena. The song reminds us all that if at all man wants to enjoy that little goblet of love, then that alone will bring total contentment. Old bhajan Guruji made so beautiful and popular once again. Hum to mange tujhse malik, everybody, ek santosh ka. The greatest gift that God has given us is contentment. Nahi chahiye rang mahal na dhan daulat ki shaan. नहीं चाहिए रंग महल ना धन दौलत की शान। घर घर में खुशियाँ हमको जन्म दिया है तू ही पालनहार। तूने हमको जन्म दिया है तू ही पालनहार। us that God's grace is the best that you can ever enjoy. And that alone makes man content, my dear sisters and brothers. This evening, as we're about to bring the curtains down on tonight's program, very simple. Guruji always reminded us, simplicity is the way to go. Simplicity is the pathway that will lead us to God. Oh, ayo. Are you on here? Ayo. That was one of Guruji's favorite. Oh, ayo. Today we surrender to Adi Shakti. And after that one, we're all going to unite our voices together and remind us all, like Guruji, we're all passing by this world. Our concluding song will be Aadmi Musafir, and that we will dedicate to everyone. To Guruji, we will all pass through one day this earth. Let's all sing together.
Oh ayo किसी से बेड़ा पार ओ दुर्गे मैया तेरी जय जयकार दुर्गे मैया तेरी जय जयकार ओ आयो किसी से बेड़ा पार ओ दुर्गे मैया तेरी जय जयकार दुर्गे मैया तेरी जय जयकार
Sing with such energy, what happens? You could feel the presence of Adi Shakti. Aadmi Musafir. We're all travelers, my dear brothers and sisters, and we're passing by. We will meet people. We will enjoy beautiful relationships. But a day will come when we will have to leave all and go. As we conclude this evening, as Guruji did in his life, he came and he brought so much of joy to all of us. But he reminded us, it is time for me to go. Aadmi Musafir Enjoy every relationship you have, my dear sisters and brothers. Enjoy everyone in your life. Who knows what tomorrow holds? Sabrina Ji, our dear Uncle Kali, myself, Kevin Ji, Uncle Ram, Umesh, along with our dear, wonderful, talented Brianna behind the cameras this evening, along with my two young ones here who get stinging nettles. Tonight we bid each and every one of you Guruji's grace. Myself and Ravina were talking this morning and I asked her the question, if you had one last thing to say to Guruji, what would it be? And she started to cry, of course. She said, I don't know. Whatever you have to say to everyone as I've been preaching in my messages, say it now, and say it as though you mean it from the inner core of your heart. Guruji, we love you, we miss you, we will always have you in our hearts, and your teachings, your humility, your charisma, your character, your fame, your legacy will continue as long as each and every one of us whom you have touched, we will continue with such greatness. He reminded us, pray for the world needs prayers. Devotees, all thank you for joining us tonight in our Chalisa Satsang. I know we sung one Chalisa, but we definitely wanted to dedicate this night to reminiscing on some of Guruji's glorious songs. Sarve Mangalam Bhuya, Sarve Shantu Niramaya. May there be good in the world, and may the world be a peaceful place. Sarvesham Mangalam Bhuya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Nandantu Sarva Bhutani, Prithirastu Parasparam, Swasti Astu Rajno Nityapa, Swasti Astu Dipati Nityam, Shantirastu No Devasya, Sarvata Shantirastu No, Tvam Devo Jagata Shrashta, Prajaparya Devesha, Yo me adhyasnihite tasya, Yashmam Vrishti Loki Asmin, Hari Om Shanti Shanti Shanti, Hari Om.
Let there be good to all, let all be free from sickness, let all see which is good, and let none suffer. Let all be happy and fearless. Let there be sympathy for each other and success for all works and endeavors. Let there be prosperity to the King who protects the people every day and also to the people. Let the bipeds and the quadrupeds be prosperous. Let there be peace in the heavens and in the three worlds. Let us all and all other beings have peace everywhere. Creator and sustainer as thou art of the world, thou encourage godliness and establish peace amongst the people. Who is my friend today? Let him be in peace. And who is not my friend? Let him also be in peace. Oh, peace, peace, peace.
As we conclude this evening, we want to say thank you so much to all of you once again for joining us. We want to say thank you to everyone present here for being part of our simple celebration of Guruji's life. 12 years, imagine, and counting. Mostly we want to say thank you to the Jubraj family, our dear Robert, Roy, and Mataji Mohini for sponsoring tonight's satsang. Thank you for the prasadam, thank you for the bhojan, and thank you so much for the donation of $300 to the Shanti Bhavan Mandir. Tvameva Mata Chapita Tvameva. May the Lord remind us all that we're all great fathers, great mothers, and the Lord loves us all in the world. Tvameva Mata Chapita Tvameva. Tvameva Vidya Dravidam Tvameva. Tvameva Sarvamaya. Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurudeva Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Hari Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Coming Sunday morning, please join us at 9 a.m. when we will have a special celebration of Father's Day in our satsang. So we hope that you will join us on Sunday morning at 9 a.m. Remember, devotees, the last words of Guruji: I filled my heart with love one day, and to all I met, I gave it away. Although I gave to all I met, my heart was still the fullest yet. Love, love, love yourself and love the world. Until we meet again, may the blessings of Gurudev be with each and every one of us. Praise the Lord. Shri Guru Maharaj Ki